Baby's umbilical cord preservation using resin. We'll show you how we made Keepsake and Solace's umbilical cord into pendants that they can use for jewelry. The kids will wear this, so we let them choose their shape and color. It's green and this shape for Keepsake, red and blue and heart shape for Solace. First, I printed their names, date and time of birth because they want it on their pendant. Resin time! Make sure you're wearing proper gears when handling resin. My resin brand makes use of a 2:1 ratio by weight, so I have to weigh it as accurately as possible. Some crafters say that you have to mix it until homogeneous, so I mix it 100 times or more. Once done, I placed the resin mixture into the mold and started designing. Let's start with Keepsake. Since he chose green, I decided to use the concept of the tree of life. It symbolizes growth. Oh, and by the way, the designs were pre-approved by Keepsake and Solace's mom, so it's good to go. Now, this part is my least favorite. The fumes released by the resin is very dangerous to your health. So crafters, please wear appropriate protective gears. At this point of crafting, you have to really use your creative juices to make the design more alive. Think of it as if you're doing a sketch. You want to make sure that the goal design is what you're achieving. So does this look like a tree? I think it's a tree. As you place your elements, the leaves, the umbilical cord, the sticker, bubbles will surely pop out. Make sure that you torch these bubbles because it will affect the final design. So here, I'm just placing a little more leaves so that it will look fuller. Oops, there are some bubbles, so I will have to torch it again. Next, it's time for the sticker! So as you have seen, I just used a transparent vinyl sticker for printing these details. Right now, I'm making sure that the sticker is aligned so that the text will appear straight. I'm also making sure that it is fully soaked in resin. This is so I can fix the design, and when I torch it, I will not burn the sticker. After this, I cured my resin first so I can fix the design. This is actually a hack because in my experience, if you fill the resin too soon, you're gonna be dealing with floating and misplaced elements. So now for Solace's pendant, I'll be using the triple flower concept. So here we'll use the primary colors with a twist because the yellow flower will be the umbilical cord of Solace. After that, the same process goes. Ta-da! So, there you go. Same goes with all the elements. You have to torch it to avoid bubbles. After curing, I poured another layer of resin on top. And here's the result. Yeah, we're not done yet. There are a few more steps we have to take so it will look like this. So for now, I hope you like this video. Follow and subscribe to my channel. See you in part 2 for the sanding, doming, and finalization of the pieces.